Welcome back to another video. This is like a coming back home type of unboxing here. Let's see what I got. The Galaxy S26 Ultra. The last Galaxy I had was the 24 Ultra. I did not get the 25, and then my 24, after 2 years, I wound up selling it, and I went a different route, but it didn't work out the way I thought it would. Even though I'm going to keep this phone, which is the Seeker, I'm going to keep it because, of course, is my hardware wallet is on here, so I'll just keep it, but I'll just put it right back in the box. So this phone be going right back in the box and going right in the drawer, but I'll do that after I take the SIM card out. All right, let's open this bad boy up. All right, you can see the color I got is the pink, gold pink. Actually, the first day of the pre-orders, I ordered the original was the 256. I ordered it like in whatever color, the special color that they had at the time, which was, I believe, was they had this color, the special color, and they had like another, I think it was a silverish type of color. I can't remember. So I ordered the silver color, and I ordered it, and then I started thinking about it, and it was only 256, and I was like, I don't know. Then the next day, I actually went online and canceled that order and ordered the 1 terabyte. But the problem was is that the 1 terabyte in the grayish color was won't be available until April. So if I wanted it on March 11th, which is like, this is before March 11th, so it came a little earlier, but if I wanted it on March 11th, I would have to get the gold pink. So that's how I got the gold pink. Well, that's life. Let's see. All right, let's start it up. Unfortunately, I don't have a Galaxy phone anymore, so I can't do the automatic transfer of all my data, which was like super duper convenient and easy. I can't do that because, of course, I don't have another phone, so I have to do this phone like I'm fresh. And I really don't have anything on this phone right here, because this phone is only a 128 gig, and so I really don't have anything. My biggest disappointment with this phone is the camera. The camera is horrible. So it forced me to use my Apple phone all the time. And Apple is good, it worked perfectly fine, but of course, you know, coming from a Samsung, I missed the power of Android. And this is actually was pretty good when it comes to certain apps, but it's nothing like a Galaxy phone, and I really missed that. And I still didn't want the 25, so I said, you know what, I'll get the 26 if it had anything special about it. And what they had special about it was actually that screen, that privacy screen. That was what made me decide to get it. And of course, I got the 1 terabyte because the 1 terabyte came with 16 gigs of RAM compared to the 256 comes with only 12 gigs. So I said, you know what? It's about $500 more, getting like 3 times the amount of space. I went that route. All right, so you know what I'm gonna do? Take my SIM card out of this guy right here and put it in here. Let's see, do I have a SIM ejection tool somewhere around here? Yes, right here, there you go. First things first, take this SIM out. I've been using my Apple phone as my personal phone, mainly because of the way Apple ecosystem is, and I got my wife and all my kids have Apple phones, so it's real easy just to use the Apple phone. However, I like to use the Samsung phone for my video editing and stuff like that. And like I said, I was forced to use Apple for the longest. And like I said, Apple did pretty well, but it's no Android. SIM in there. Actually, I can transfer stuff over. Wow, I didn't realize that. Okay, let me do that then. All right, I'm gonna do this, how that works. Okay, set up. All right, there you go. Look at that. All right. See how this works out. While I'm waiting on that, let's take a look at some accessories that I bought. Of course, once I ordered the phone, I went on Amazon and ordered a case and a screen protector. I'm gonna check out the case real quick. All right, this looks straightforward. I like to get a little rugged cases because I'm a little rough. All right, this is the case. It looks like it just snaps in. All right, I got a screen protector. I think this is a pack of 3. Yes, it's a pack of 3. You see one, I got 2 here. I'm gonna put this on the side for now because the applicator should have at least 1 on it. All right, this should be straightforward. It comes with these little glass protector, which I won't use. I don't need these stupid things in the back, but I would definitely use the screen protector. This is, once you do one, you do them all. Okay, here we go. That's actually ready. So this phone is all done. So now I'm gonna put this phone in the box. So that's it. Put you in the drawer. And like, I'm definitely not selling this because it's a hardware wallet, but I'll keep that on the side as memories. But I'm back to Samsung. Write this down real quick. Let's get this ready down. These are all self-explanatory. Put it on there and just pull. Face down. All right, so this should be all set. So what I like to do is reload this. It's all set. Put this back in the package. It's ready when I need it next time. All right, put this on. Case on, like it just snaps in. Case look all right. I prefer the cases that have like a little cover you put on first and then it goes in there because like gives it a little protection on the edges. But this will do for right now. I'm really not a fan of the rose gold pink color, but it is what it was. I wanted the 1 gig, that's all I can get. Now it's telling me to sign in. Texting my other phone. Jesus Christ. All right. I gotta wait because I'm actually using my phone. It's trying to text as the one that's gonna verify. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I went back to the Samsung S26 Ultra. I'm gonna play with this for a few days and I'm gonna see how this one works. And this was a fun experience, but like this is not a very good phone. But like I said, I did it for the culture. Peace. Check you on the next one.